Hello everybody, I want to show you this video 10 cool things you can do with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. So let me show you the first one. I think you know already how to get into the flashlight. If you're going down here, scroll down a second time, and now you have here the icon for the flashlight. And you can change also the brightness if you just tap on the written word below the icon. And then now you can change the brightness of the flashlight. Very bright and less bright and so on. After you go just on done and you have fixed it for the next times. So let me off it and let's come to the next point. Okay, with the next point we can use the pen to translate words. For that we go just on the control center here, the air command, and then go on translate, so the yellow icon here. So and first of all you can select the source language, it's English now, and I want to translate it in German. So, and if I go now with my pen on a word, so I just fly over the word like game, so then he's translating me the word game into German, and it's named Spiel. And the same thing with maybe store here, then is store, it means Geschäft in German, and so on and so on. And it has many languages that works with Google Translate, so you have many opportunities. And of course very helpful for websites. So just fly with your with the pen over the word and it gives you immediately a translation. So very nice tool. So the next one I want to show you is a magnifier. So for that we go also here to the air command center. Then we go like this to have the magnifier. And now I can if I fly over the screen, I have it a bit bigger, as you can see, and I can change also the size here, maybe 300%. I need it a bit more detailed, and then if I fly over the tablet, he will show me it 3 times bigger than normal. So a very nice tool, especially if you want to see something in photos and so on. So just pardon. Yeah, very nice. The magnifier is not pre-installed first, so if not, so just add it to the shortcuts here, go on the plus symbol to add the shortcut, and then you can add it here on the shortcuts. And another nice feature is you can pair 2 Bluetooth devices to your tablet. If you want to listen with a friend at the same time with headphones, or you want to connect 2 sound boxes or a sound box and a headphone. It is everything possible. Let me show you how it works. We just go into the settings here, and then we go to the point connections, and then we need the Bluetooth part. First of all, you have to enable the Bluetooth, and after you go here on the 3 points, the corner, and on advanced. And now we can enable the audio feature. And here we have a little instruction. Also, what is very nice, everybody can have his own volume if you want. So one can hear it a bit louder and the other one can hear it a bit less loud. And yeah, a very nice feature. And of course you can take also a screenshot with that tablet, maybe if you have a nice website or something like this. So use the power button and the volume down button for the same time, press it, and you have a screenshot. And after you can crop it maybe directly if you want just to have a part of the screen, and go on save. And yeah, another opportunity to have a screenshot is if you go with your flat hand, with the edge of your flat hand swiping over the screen, you have a screenshot as well. And you can use, of course, the S Pen to have a screenshot. So let's go here on the control center and go on screen right, and I have immediately a screenshot after I can write something inside. And also if I go here on the Air Command Center, I can select just a part with a pen and save it also directly. So many opportunities, and nice. Okay, and of course you can also record the screen, but the main recorder is just working on games, in games. So let's go into a game, maybe like Tom Gold one, and I want to continue here. So that game, and if I want to record that game, so just scroll up the navigation bar here and we need that symbol. So this is the game center. So just tap on the game center. Now you're able to record the game. If I go on record, the game is recording in the background. And if you want to stop it, then just scroll up the navigation bar again and go here on the symbol for stop. And the game recording has stopped. Okay, there's another opportunity to record the screen with the S Pen. So we just go on the Air Command Center here, go on Smart Select, and then we can choose that GIF animation here on the top. And now we have a part of the screen. We can make it also a bit bigger and so on. And that part of the screen we can record. But at maximum, this recording is at 15 seconds. So if you want to stop it before, just go on stop and on save. And as you know, all the pictures are going directly to the gallery. And here we have our screen recording, and here we have the GIF recording, and here are our screenshots, the crop one, and so on and so on. And also in the albums, the screenshots have their own category, and the GIFs and the games. Okay, the next feature is something to draw. You can do a lot of things with the tablet and with the pen, and one thing is also drawing pictures. And at the beginning, maybe it is better to have a look on some tutorials, and also in some cases like in mine, how to draw. Okay, so let's go to the Air Command Center here to open that Pen app. And Pen app is a tutorial program to learn how to draw. Here maybe at the bird, you notice the fog, the preview here, and yeah, if I go now inside in that picture, I learn how to draw it, just easily step by step. And I can also paint something inside and so on if I want, and learn with the program. And yeah, so I could try my best also to become a professional and so on, and I can go really step by step. So a very nice tool to learn, and there are many categories, so you can go here and view all, and yeah, there are many kinds of stuff. Maybe architecture. I go in architecture, then I have many designs here, what I can try, and so on and so on, and always with the tutorials how to draw it, and so on and so on. So a very nice tool for beginners like me. And the next feature is something for your eyes, especially if you use the tablet before you want to sleep, doing the last checks and so on, checking emails, etc. Then for your eyes, it is very difficult to fall asleep after. And there's a tool included, a blue light filter, which one protects the eyes a bit, and you can sleep in better after using a smartphone or a tablet PC. So let me show you how you can enter that mode. So just scroll down to the shortcuts, scroll down the second time, and here we have the blue light filter. And as you can see, the color of the screen is changing already. And if you enter the written word here, blue light filter, you go directly in that place, and you can change here also the opacity, and also you can schedule a time. Go and allow here, and you can set up from sunset to sunrise, so that is just turn on, that the feature will turn on at sunset and turn off at sunrise, or you can customize the schedule as you want, give a starting time and also an end time when it should stop in the morning. The next feature is to making multi-window. So just go here on the recent open tabs, and if you're going now on this symbol here, you can just split the screen. I have now here my gallery, and I can choose now an app from the I can choose now an app from the recent open tabs, or I can go directly to the app list to have one of my other apps, may go to internet, go to the internet, and I can browse on the internet at the same time as I'm checking my gallery. If you want to close it, just swipe the line down below and it's closed. And otherwise, if I'm using maybe the gallery and I want to enter now the multi-window mode, I can also hold the recent tab button here, and now he's open automatically that feature. And yeah, choose then the app you want to have also on that screen. And I have now the Play Store here. And yeah, now I can work in between. And if I go now on the button here in the middle, I can change them also. That now the Play Store is up and gallery is down. And also I can do it as a pop-up. Now I'm here in the gallery, and my pop-up is here now the Play Store. No? I can make it bigger again, and so on and so on. So there are many features. So try a bit, and you can do many things at the same time because the screen is big, and with the S Pen you have many opportunities to work a bit more detailed. Okay, let's come to the last point. There's a very nice feature in that camera here, and it works with Bixby. So that's me. I didn't shape. I'm sorry. So we need that symbol here. This is for Bixby Vision. And first of all, if you use it for the first time, you have to enable a lot of stuff, but it's not that bad. And now I can translate with my tablet parts of books or magazines, and my German books is now in the same letters in English. So very nice. And I can also go now here on the T for text, and he's transferring that text directly to my tablet. So I didn't have to write everything by my own. No, I have it directly in my tablet. So you can just take a picture from a magazine or something like this from a written text, and he will transfer it directly to my tablet. And if it's in another language, I can also go easily on translate, and he will translate it in English or in your language as you want. And yeah, very easy. And if I go back again, I can export it to my tablet. So a very, very nice feature. Okay, and also I can, of course, recognize QR codes. And yeah, I say thanks for watching Phones and More. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could show you something new with it. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something. It would be very helpful for my videos. So thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.